Now, before we get started, this is not a substitute for the printed fitting instructions, and is mandatory that the fitting instructions are read thoroughly several times before going any further. This video is only a general how to assemble and install the side boat loader. Each fitment will differ slightly. Position the rear third of the boat in line with the rear axle of the vehicle. This allows visualisation of where we'll be positioning the top sliding crossbars. In this instance, the boat only has 2 seats, so we will be positioning the top sliding crossbars here.